Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Gamera. So, to start off with Gamera, we're going to begin with the eyes. I'm going to keep the eyes up here on my paper. So I'm going to start by just drawing a line that curves up like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then up for his eye. Then inside of here, I'm going to make a smaller circle. And then I'm going to make a little one, and I'm going to color in this one. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes around it like this for the eyebrow. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and around here and then down for the shape of the head. Then over here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and then in just to show where the other eye is going to be at. Now, I'm going to curve this line around and I'm going to bring it all the way down to here for his mouth. Then I'm going to bring his mouth down and then back up like this. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes around here and then up like this for his jaw. Now, right here, I'm going to make a big line that curves up and then down for one of his big teeth. And then I'm going to make another one over here like this. Then I'm going to make a bunch of little teeth in here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on top. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves down for his tongue. Now up here, I'm just going to make two little dots for his nose. Then up here, I'm going to continue this line and I'm just going to kind of bring it down, show where his neck is going to end. And then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line to show kind of where his shell is going to be. So I'm just going to draw kind of like a curved line like this. I kind of go out, then in, then out again. Then right here, I'm just going to make a little line that curves around for his neck. And then starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that curves down for his body. Now for his arms. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. And then I'm just going to curve it out, and I'm going to come to a point and then bring it back. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then comes back for another claw. Then I'm going to make a more pointy one right there. Then one right here. And then a small one right there. And then I'm just going to bring this line back around here. Now for this arm. So I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and around like this. And then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and comes back with like a point for a claw. And then I've got another one here. And another one. And then one small one, and just connect it to this arm. And then I'm going to make a big curved line right here just to show where that arm is. So then I'm going to bring this line down a little bit more, and I'm going to draw the leg. So this first leg is going to kind of be back a little bit. So I'm just going to start by drawing a line that just kind of curves down like this. And then to make the feet, I'm going to just start off by making a line that goes down and then over. And then I'm going to make a little point like this. Another point here. One right here. And then one little one right there. And then I'm just going to bring this back up here. Now, right here for his other leg, I'm going to start here and I'm going to go out and then come back in to show this leg is kind of bent. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then in. I'm going to put another curved line here for another toe. And then a small one right there. Then I'm just going to bring this line up, and then I'm going to kind of curve it at an angle right there. Now, Gamera is kind of like a big turtle, kind of like a Godzilla turtle almost. So let's draw up the pattern of a shell. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down here, and it's going to come all the way to here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down for the top of a shell. Now, for his tail. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down, goes up a little bit, and then comes back like this for his tail. So, we have the basic shape of Gamera down right now. So now we want to add all of the different details to make him look realistic. So, some of those things we can do. First, let's start with some details on his shell. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make some little curved lines like this. And I'm just going to kind of change the shape of these curved lines as I go farther down. So I was curving one way, now I'm curving the other way. And I'm just going to put these all the way down his shell. Now for the pattern on his shell, so I'm going to start right here at the top, and I'm just going to kind of curve it in. And by doing this, I'm just going to make it look like it's kind of ridged and kind of like sloping back. I'm just going to do this all the way down. Now, on his hands, I'm going to make some curved lines just to show where his claws are. And I'm going to do the same thing on his feet too. Now when I come here, I'm actually just going to go up and down for the curve, since these toes are kind of facing us. Now we want to add some of those interesting lines. So I'm going to add some lines kind of around his eye, add some lines around his mouth, some extra little lines just to show where his skin is kind of bending on his neck. Put some extra lines around his arms. Just kind of around here. Do the same thing to his legs. Kind of make different curved lines on here. Some broken lines all the way around. Now he kind of has like a little bit of a turtle shell pattern on his stomach. So I'm just going to start off by making a line that goes down, kind of like a V. And then I'm just going to kind of continue this down here using broken lines. And then I'm just going to kind of make a line that goes down and over. And I'm just going to put some diagonal lines on here just to show where that pattern is. Throw some extra lines around here. And then just kind of fill up his body with lots and lots of details everywhere. Kind of similar to what we've done with some of our other Godzilla type creatures. Just lots of lines all over the place just to add details. Use lots of these broken lines. And then I'm just going to add some lines around the toes. More lines around the feet. And then I'm just going to add some lines and details onto the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of Gamera. Now, if you guys like this, make sure that you are clicking the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can see every time a new drawing is posted. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.